We saw a lot of rainfall yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
Additionally, there was a coastal flood advisory in place that included our bays, and we have another coastal flood advisory in place today as well. We'll talk about that coming up during the 6 o'clock hour. But here's a look at those rainfall totals across the region. So Corpus Christi wound up seeing the most rainfall, and North Beach was one of the target zones that probably picked up even more rain than we saw at the airport, which was officially 2.41 inches. Naval Air Station over 2 inches as well. So Flower Bluff through Corpus Christi became the hotspot of rain as we continued into yesterday afternoon. So that's what we're really keeping an eye on right now, is just how much rain we're going to continue to see. And we are starting things off today much different than we saw yesterday. So notice those temperatures in the 70s through the morning with stars. Yeah, we have mostly clear skies as you're headed out the door this morning. So that's going to allow our temperatures to fall a bit. We may have some patchy fog that's developed. I'm seeing some of that in the Alice area right now. But overall, we still have rain in the forecast, but it's going to be really spotty. In fact, I dropped it down to isolated chance of rain today, a bit widely scattered into Wednesday, but then Thursday and Friday is when our rain chances go back up to numerous, and it actually looks like that will be more so Thursday night into Friday morning as our cold front is moving through the area. So here are your forecast trends that I've been keeping up with this cold front. It does look like it's trending maybe just a tad earlier with it moving through Thursday night instead of necessarily Friday morning. Regardless, it's still going to be during the overnight hours. It looks like this front will be moving through, and I consider that when our winds shift out of the northeast, and that looks to be happening more so Thursday night, anywhere between 10 p.m. and about 5 a.m. on Friday morning. So 5 to 15 degree temperature drop still possible. We are still trending a little bit cooler each day as the front gets closer and closer. High resolution models are starting to almost reach the timing of the front. So by tomorrow, we'll have a much better idea of how cool it might actually get. Spotty storms are still going to be possible, 1 to 3 inches by Saturday. Most of the rain still looks like it will be Thursday and Friday, especially after the rain we saw yesterday. So I don't expect as much rain today or tomorrow, but more rain Thursday and Friday. We've got northeast winds gusting up to 30 miles per hour, but that looks delayed. Like that might not come until Saturday when we get a stronger kind of reinforcing burst of that drier and cooler air Saturday into Sunday. Waves are trending a little lower, 3 to 5 feet Wednesday, falling on Thursday, but then back up by Saturday. So here's a look at that timing of the front. So we'll get a few isolated storms this evening or today into the afternoon. As we head into Wednesday, a lot of that storm activity looks to be between Victoria and Houston, but we still have a chance for that activity mostly Wednesday afternoon. Watching the front move through, temperatures falling into Amarillo and Lubbock, nearing 90 though in Abilene ahead of the front Wednesday afternoon and evening. We're going to see a line of storms develop. That line may race out ahead of the cold front and head toward Houston and possibly reach Corpus Christi by Thursday afternoon. But the front still delayed, just barely moving through San Antonio by the afternoon and then pushing through South Texas into early Friday morning. So you'll see we still have a decent chance for rain Friday morning, but that rain starts to clear out as we head into Saturday. We get that reinforcing burst of the drier and cooler air clearing our cloud coverage out as we get into Sunday, and our dew points are going to really drop. So today it is just gonna be gross, steamy. That's going to continue Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Dew points fall with the passing front by Saturday and Sunday. We got some really pleasant weather ahead of us. Temperatures, high temperatures falling into the 70s. So the air temperature right now, that's about what I'm expecting Saturday. Sunday looks really nice with clearing skies, low dew points, and highs in the mid to upper 70s as well. Looking forward to Sunday.